Kit 6000R is a Carpenter's Platoon toolkit loaded with everything needed for our United States combat engineers to get their job done quick and easy. Included are 6 different saws and drills, safety gear, a power supply, and all necessary replenishment parts to keep this kit working longer. Engineer troops are often deployed in areas without adequate electrical power or in areas with limited space. The solution is to provide power tools to supplement. The result? Increased production even in the most demanding of environments.